What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Berkshire. Thank you for being here. If you enjoy the content that I create and the videos that I make, please like, comment, subscribe, smash that bell notification below, and let's get into the reason why we're all here today. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite lenses on the market, guys. The Sony 200-600 zoom f5.6 to 6.3G. I absolutely love this lens, and today I'm going to tell you why. No, I'm just kidding. This thing's actually light, super insanely light. For a telephoto, it's like featherweight. Guys, this is the 200-600 zoom lens for Sony G. I absolutely love this lens, and I want to talk a little bit about it. Set it over there. All right, so when I'm on Canon, I was shooting on a 70-200 and I was shooting on a 100-500 for a lot of my long distance stuff. I haven't quite still got the budget to be able to purchase like 300 or 400 millimeter prime 2.8 lenses. We know those lenses are insanely expensive when we just can't afford them, right? Sometimes you just can't shuck out an $8, $9, $10, $11, $12,000 for a brand new beautiful prime lens, right? The one we all dream of being in something like sports, action photography, videography. And what's another option, you know? So when I started shooting recently on Sony, I'll have my 70-200 G Master. In 2024, I was wondering, is this still a good lens right now? Is this still a go-to telephoto for Sony? And the answer is absolutely. I'm gonna throw some video clips from this lens up on the screen so you guys can see here in a second. This is a great lens for an easy budget that's gonna be an amazing telephoto lens. The quality and the sharpness of this lens is unbelievable. I want to talk about a couple of the features. So when I'm shooting video, I shoot professional football, and when I'm going to shoot the play, I'm always starting all the way from like 600, and I just want to talk about how easy the thumb roll is right here to zoom out from 600 all the way down to 200. It's almost taking no effort at all, and it's so smooth. It's not too loose, it's not too tight, it's just kind of perfect, right? Super smooth, and I just absolutely love this lens. So I do shoot a lot on my 70-200, but sometimes when I'm shooting football and the teams are, you know, midfield or far away from the end zone or wherever I'm at, I need a telephoto and I need something that's more in my budget, something that can produce absolute top quality shots. And this lens, guys, is the answer. So again, if you're shooting on Sony and you need a good go-to lens that you can afford, kind of like me, without breaking the bank, this 200-600 f6 to 6.3 is a great option. So let's talk about a couple of the features of it. This is an E-mount lens, full frame format, f6 to 6.3, which we've already talked about. And then a whole bunch of other things that I don't really need to go over. You guys get it. Optical steady shot, image stabilization, dust and moisture resistant. You know, I don't need to go down the list of all the specs of this thing. I just want to tell you guys that I love it. Super lightweight, super durable. I have this thing on my Benro tripod with my Sony a7S III, and I'll show you guys a picture of it right here. And this is how I'm rocking it, you know? So if you guys are in the market for a good telephoto for Sony, I definitely give you my recommendation. I love this lens. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to talk about this lens, and I wanted to tell you how much fun I had shooting this past NFL season with it. And I hope you guys enjoyed some of these clips that I showed. And that's it. So until the next one, you know the deal. Peace.